Yes, sir. What it do, YouTube? You already know who it is, man. We back on the channel for another video. Back on the channel, man. We got a little, slight little hot banger for y'all today, man. You know what I'm saying? So that Pat did just touch down. And we finna throw a little slam in the trunk. You feel me? So, hold on one sec. Let me get right with you. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? That Pat just touched down. And we finna get active, man. Been a long time coming. I've been waiting forever for him. So, Pat just dropped. And we finna get some motion going now. I just got me two 12s, man. I was gonna do two 15s, but I really ain't want my quarter pounder to start cracking, so just went with the 12s for now, man. So hopefully they should sound pretty decent though. So, you know, y'all stay tuned. I'm finna open them up, unbox them, let y'all see them in the box and all that stuff like that. And then I'm gonna hook everything up. It should just be a simple hookup, you know what I'm saying? Because the person who had this car before I got it, they got everything wired and ran for music. So all you gotta do is plug and play for real, and they on. So, but we finna get straight to it. I ain't finna talk y'all head off, and we finna run it. Yeah. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, share this video. Run this video up right here, because this is a great video, and a lot of folks be wanting to know how these speakers sound. So, especially what I got, two 12s, I got some Skars. So, everybody be wanting to know how these speakers sound. So, y'all keep in tune. Run this video up, bro. Run it up. You feel me? You new to the channel, hit the sub, hit the like button. You feel me? Let's get it. We at 3K subscribers, 5K loading. So you know what I'm saying? Let's get it, bro. Let's get it, bro. We ain't got time to play none in 2025. So let's do it. Turn kit. Skar out. 1200 watts. And then we give you a kit too. The box right here. You got that thing sealed good. Fresh out the box. Oh, what they do? Maybe underneath. Probably just lift it up. Fresh Skar audio. 1200 watts amp. If it don't be hitting with this amp right here, I'm probably gonna get a bigger amp, but should be hitting with this amp right here. Yeah, everything brand new. These ain't come from Facebook Market. Got your air clearance. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube. So I had to go to the parts store. Had to get me some zip ties. Had to get me some Velcro. You know, this come in handy when you're trying to stick stuff. And I had to get me some tweeters, man. They got 4 tweeters in here. I'm gonna put 2 in the front, and probably 2 in the back. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I got me some tweeters that 150 watts. So it's gonna help with the highs, man. But yeah, I just had to make a little run, man, and you know we about to get ready to get to it. It's finna get dark a little bit out here, but I think it get dark at like 5 o'clock, but I don't care what time it get. I don't care. We gonna get it done. We gonna be whamming tonight. But you know, y'all stay tuned, man. We finna get to it. Yo, YouTube. I had to tap in with y'all real quick. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, bro, it's like 7 o'clock, bro. And like the music man, bro, he ain't even pulled up yet, bro. The sound man, he still ain't pulled up yet, bro. I've been in his area for like shit, like 5 hours now, bro. He still ain't pull up, bro. But get what? We gonna get this shit done, bro. Bro, we gonna get this shit done, bro. I really don't care what time he pull up. He could pull up at 1 o'clock. My mama, we gonna be out there be doing this shit at 1 o'clock, cuz. Real shit. You feel me? So the longer he take, shit, that's the longer we gonna take. Real talk. He should be pulling up soon, though, man. Just tapping in with y'all real quick. They got some shit right here, too. I don't know where the fuck this go to.
Like,
and all this to the 6x9s, them two right there. And they got that ground over here. That motherfucker thick too, bro. I got some shit right here too. Some clamps. And I got some more screws. Some other shit. Should be a nice little solid amp, but this bitch ain't hitting. No one goddamn get me a 2000. Shit, if this shit work, shit. I was finna say you probably can't. This probably wouldn't be no use for you either.
I'm about to see.
Got some shit right here. I don't know what that is. I don't know if this speaker wire jet though.
That should be good.
It should be alright. That bitch all the way through the car. Ground over there.
Yeah.
You got a bass knob wire right there. Well, no, that's some other shit. The bass knob wire. I seen that shit the other night.
You got like speakers in the window?
You
got speakers in the window?
Yeah, them.
Okay, them right there go to the
These right here. That's this.
Okay, yeah.
You feel me? He just kept that shit separate because he didn't know if I wanted to run it anywhere or nothing. Yeah. So them two right there, them just they locked in by themselves. Okay. They ain't connected to nothing.
They ain't playing? They playing?
Hell yeah, they playing.
Okay.
But they not connected to no amp or no shit.
Might have to be on it, bro. Cause this amp don't look like it's
it might not be. It might just be made for this though.
Yeah.
That's why they sent this.
It's like some amps come with like the thing on here gonna be different. Like these are smaller, so
especially like for these.
Yeah. So therefore I got I'm gonna have to use them because they ain't gonna be big enough for the 0 gauge to fit in there.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Cause I was wondering, I was like, shit, they wouldn't give me the kit if I don't need to use that. Hold on. But shit. Then they give you the tools and everything. So if I had some shit that can fit that,
yeah, like a bigger amp,
like a 2000 or some shit, it would, that hot wire would have just. But all I gotta do is just pull that bitch back through the car, and I can get that hoe out. See, it got a new one of these too, bro. Whatever that shit there. Yes, sir. Looking like we're going to have to rewire. Crazy thing is, you got a gauge. I'm gonna have to open that. This shit got our ass working. We got the scars on the front. Got the amp play. This bitch looks small, but it might be powerful. You never know. That bitch do look small. Shit. Running shit. It's crazy because this bitch is already ran on my mama. Look, y'all. That bitch ran all the way through there. Sound man. Oh, that boy got that bit. Extendo. Okay. Better leverage. Yes, sir. The thing tucked and bucked. 6x9s. You're hooked in. The sound man has done his job tonight, y'all. Bass knob. So shit, we ended up using the same wire. We definitely did that. Motor still looking good.
You fucking
It ain't even turned up, bro. Look at it.
bust up, then the bitch come check my wrist. Flower said, I bought a bitch a ring, but we ain't ready for no wedding. I know these niggas snake. I can see these niggas shit. Louis V to my last trip. Bitch, stick to the transcript. Oh, you want invited? Tell me why the fuck your ass here? You would think I don't think I was here. On the sound here. Oh, you got that on the last nigga. Kick up black. You can't come to the niggas late.
What it do, YouTube? It's like the next 2 days, man, since I hooked up the speakers. I put a little snippet in there to show y'all, you know, what they really hear like. Overall, the speakers they wonderful, man. They knocking good. Everything is great. Only thing I gotta do in the future is probably get me a more updated radio. Probably get me an updated radio or something like that, so the volume can be a little louder, you know. the volume on this radio, it only go up to 35, so to me that ain't loud enough. Like, I feel like the more louder the radio is, like the more louder the speakers can knock. So, but overall, man, I feel like Skar, y'all need to sponsor me, bro, cause I don't know. I'm gonna be shopping with Skar again. I'm gonna definitely be shopping with Skar again, but I'm gonna probably put another little. I'm finna let y'all hear him again now, so y'all can hear the speakers again, cause I'm finna go ahead and close this video out. But to anybody that wants some 12s, I got 2 12s. So if anybody wants some 12s, shit, get you some Skars, and you'll be good. You'll be good. You ain't gotta spend all this money. You ain't gotta go out here and get no competitions, and you ain't gotta get no sundowns and L7s and stuff like that. You ain't even gotta get all that, bro. Like, you don't have to get none of that. You could just get you some good 12s, maybe like 2400 watts or to 3000, or maybe 2800 watts, something like that, and you good, bro. Listen, bro, let me tell y'all something. You hear me? You don't have to, with this car game and YouTube and, you know, hooking your car up, you ain't gotta be like everybody else. I could have went out there and dropped that bag if I wanted to, but I don't want to. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to drop the bag. I don't want to be like everybody else, you feel me? I want to stay in my own lane, and you feel me? Do what I want to do. So I got what I wanted to get. Yeah, I could have got me some 15s. I could have put some 15s in here, but I ain't want my quarter pounders cracking. So that's different between me and somebody else. Somebody else probably want to be heard way around the corner somewhere. You can hear me way around the corner in D12. So yeah, man, just going forward, bro. If anybody watching this video, man, just do what you want to do. Do whatever you want to do to your car, your vehicle. You feel me? You the person that got to drive it, nobody else. So do what you got to do. To me, I feel like they hit me crazy. I'm shocked, you feel me? Because I wasn't expecting them to hit like that. You know what I'm saying? But they is. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. You know, we steady working, we steady getting these videos out to y'all. Happy New Year. It's a new year. So I'm about to make another little video I'm hitting and let y'all check it out. And we finna rock out, man. 2K25 loading. Y'all stay tuned for all the new videos. I got new bills coming to the channel, man. So y'all stay tuned for all that. You feel me? I think we at 3,085 followers or something. I'm telling you, we going up, bro. This is what y'all not understanding. I remember when I was at 5 subscribers, bro. All you gotta do is just keep going. That's all you gotta do. So with that being said, man, we finna rock out. We finna log out. I want y'all to enjoy this last part of the video. And, you know, share, support, like, comment, do everything. You feel me? But we out, man.
Then I say you back to back, hands on my best friend, please.
This song right here ain't really him for real. trunk big as hell too though, so. Like I said, the radio was louder. If the radio was louder, it'll be knocking way harder. So that's why I gotta get another radio. Yeah, this shit here right here. This shit hitting. On that old Gucci. Phone finna fall.